now show you how to make a DIY incubator for brine shrimp. So here are the things that you'll need. First, you'll be needing 2 empty water mineral bottles. This will serve as the incubator itself. You also need a tube and an aerator or air pump. Then you also need some salt, baking soda, and of course our brine shrimp eggs. And lastly, you also need a light source, and for this one I will just use a lamp. So let's begin.